Welcome to the revision session of Chapter 2 Machine Structure, Machine Language and Assembly Language. Here is the working model of General Machine Structure IBM 360. It consists of instruction interpreter, a location counter, an instruction register, working register and general register. The instruction interpreter is a group of circuits that performs on the instruction fetched from memory. The location counter denotes the location of the current instruction being executed. Instruction register contains a copy of the current instruction. The working register serves as scratch pads for the instruction interpreter, and general registers are used as storage locations. This CPU interfaces with memory through MAR and MBR. The role of input-output channels is to input and output information from memory. Here are the few components included in General Machine Structure of IBM 360 and 370. The basic unit of memory is a byte, that is, each addressable position contains 8 bits of information, and other basic units are byte, half word, full word and double word. The address consists of offset, base and index register. IBM 360 has 16 general purpose register consisting of 32 bits. There are 4 floating point registers consisting of 64 bits. IBM 360 has 64-bit program status word contains the value of the location counter. IBM 360 stores several types of data and it allows floating point numbers, logical data, character strings to be represented in memory. All this data and instructions are stored as sequences of binaries, ones and zeros. And the data formats are short form fixed point, long form fixed point, decimal packed, unpacked, short form floating point, long form floating point and logical. IBM 360 has arithmetic, logical, control or transfer and special interrupt instruction. The types of instruction differ in types of operands and they are register operands, storage operands and immediate operands. And the formats are register to register format, register to index format, register to storage format, storage to immediate format and storage to storage format. It is a low-level language converted by an assembler and it has few advantages that it is a mnemonic, that is an abbreviation for an operation. Addresses are symbolic, that is address is made by convenient symbols that is related to the meaning of the data located at that address. Reading is easier and data can be introduced to the program in an easy way. Assembly language uses the instructions that specifies an operation of the assembler. It uses sudo-op and machine-op instruction. Using sudo-op indicates the assembler which register to use as a base and what its content will be. To load a register with next address, BALR instruction is used. Start sudo-op tells the assembler where the beginning of the program is. End sudo-op tells the assembler that last card of the program has been reached. Branch on count function can be done by BCT instruction. To define variables, programmer uses eqview sudo-op. Define constant and define storage sudo-ops instruct the assembler to place data in memory. A branch to the location whose address is in register 14 can be done by using BR14 machine-op instruction. Machine code is a low-level language comprised of binary digits that the computer reads and interprets. It is the only language a computer is capable of understanding. Thank you.